Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Analytical Angle, and today we are going to discuss question number 93 from the book Tomato. And the question says the highest power of 18 contained in 50 C25 is. So for this question we first write 50 C25 as equal to 50 factorial by 25 factorial 25 factorial, since that is by using the formula NCR. And to find the highest power of something contained in something factorial, we need to use de Polignac's formula, which can be really useful in such questions. So the highest power of 2 contained in 25 factorial is equal to, since we know that 18 is equal to 2 into 3 square, we have to first find the highest power of 2, which is equal to GIF of 25 by 2 plus GIF of 25 by 4 plus GIF of 25 by 8 and so on, which is equal to 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 22. And the highest power of 3 that is contained in 25 factorial is equal to GIF of 25 by 3 plus GIF of 25 by 9 plus GIF of 25 by 27 and so on, which is equal to 8 plus 2, which is equal to 10. The highest power of 2 that is contained in 50 factorial is equal to GIF of 50 by 2 plus GIF of 50 by 4 plus GIF of 50 by 8 and so on, which is equal to 25 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 47. And the highest power of 3 in 50 factorial is equal to GIF of 50 by 3 plus GIF of 50 by 9 plus GIF of 50 by 27 and so on, which is equal to 16 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 22. So in the final thing, that is 50 factorial by 25 factorial by into 25 factorial, the highest product of the powers of 2 and 3 is going to be 2 to the power 47 minus 2 into 22, and for 3 it is going to be 3 to the power 22 minus 2 into 10. So the highest power of 2 becomes 2 to the power 3, and the highest power of 3 becomes 3 to the power 2. Now since we know that 18 is equal to 2 into 3 square, we can make only one 18 from this, and we have another 2 square remaining over. So the highest power of 18 will be 1, and that is our final answer. Option number C, 1 is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like, leave a comment down below. Thank you.